Number 4 is Creality 3D Printer Plus FDM Printer. If you are an adventurous woodworking enthusiast, brace yourself for the ultimate tool to take your creations to the next dimension. Introducing the marvelously innovative Creality 3D Printer Ender 5 Plus FDM Printer, the undisputed champion of woodworking 3D printers. Prepare to be mesmerized as this magical machine unveils its great features. With its auto bed leveling sensor, you can bid farewell to frustrating hours spent tweaking and adjusting. It effortlessly measures the tilt of the hotbed surface, saving you precious time and reducing wastage. No more headaches, only smooth sailing. But wait, there's more! The Ender 5 Plus boasts the mighty power of 2 leading the way. With dual-axis motors, the Y-axis dual-shaft motor and downshift Z-axis work perfectly, guaranteeing unrivaled precision in your prints. Each stroke is a symphony of seamless motion, bringing your woodworking dreams to life. Navigating this marvel is an absolute joy. Equipped with a touch color screen, the operation becomes a breeze. Assembly is a walk in the park with its partially assembled kits, allowing you to delve into the construction of your 3D printer while having a blast. If you are interested in the fantastic 3D printer, check out the link in the description box to buy it.